Hello friends, welcome. This is Sagar Burde. We are discussing about electrical drives. We started with DC motor drives, in which we discussed the control rectifier for DC drives, in that single phase half and full control rectifier, three phase half and full control rectifier, and multi-quadrant operation of DC separately excited motor are discussed. Also, we gone through the rectifier control of DC series motor in the previous session. Today we will be discussing about a very small concept of supply harmonics, power factor and the ripple in motor current. The rectifier for the DC drives have few of the drawbacks. The first one is distortion of the supply. As the source current of rectifier has harmonics, in a weak AC source and with high internal impedance, current harmonics distort the source voltage. Therefore, the temporary short circuit of lines during the commutation of thyristor causes sharp current pulses, and these pulses distort again the source voltage. The source voltage and current distortions have several undesirable effects, including interference with other loads connected to the same source and radio frequency interference in communication equipments. Next is low power factor. Assuming sinusoidal supply voltage, power factor of a rectifier can be defined as a ratio of real power to the apparent power, which can be given as VI1 cos phi 1 divided by V into IRMS. Here V is the RMS source voltage, IRMS is the RMS source current in ampere, I1 is the fundamental component of source current in ampere, phi 1 is the phase difference between V and I1 in radians. Therefore, PF can be given as a ratio of I1 cos phi 1 divided by IRMS or mu cos phi 1, where this mu is called as the distortion factor and cos phi 1 is the displacement factor. Distortion factor and displacement factor. The distortion in source current makes the value of mu lower than 1. When motor current is assumed to be perfect DC, the phi 1 has a value of alpha for fully controlled single phase and three phase rectifiers and alpha by 2 for single phase half controlled rectifiers. This gives displacement factor of cos alpha and cos alpha by 2 respectively. That is, supply power factor is low when the drive operates at lower speeds. With the advancements like using pulse width modulated rectifiers are built using IGBTs, that is insulated gate bipolar transistors, and GTOs, gate turn-off thyristors, as these have high power factor and low harmonic content in the source current. But the efficiency will be lower because of high switching losses of these switching elements like GTOs and IGBTs. The third drawback is the ripple in motor current. The rectifier output voltage is not a perfect DC, but it consists of harmonics in addition to the DC component. Therefore, motor current also has harmonics. The presence of harmonics makes RMS and peak values of motor currents higher than the average value. But as flux is constant, torque is contributed only by the average value of the current. The harmonics produce fluctuating torque the average value of this torque, harmonic producer torque, will be 0. The average value will be 0. The presence of harmonics increases both core loss and copper loss in the machine. Hence, for a allowable temperature rise, the torque and power outputs have lesser values than the rated values due to this ripple in the motor current. Again, due to presence of harmonics, peak value of current increases and the commutation of thyristor deteriorates. Hence, the current that the motor can commute without sparking at the brush has a lower DC component than the rated motor current. The derating of motor occurs due to this ripple in the motor current. On the whole of the motor output, that is power and torque, will be restricted considerably below the rated value of the machine. And this is maintained below the rated value just to avoid the thermal overloading and sparking at the brushes. So this is about the drawbacks of rectifier fed DC drives to the separately excited DC motors. In the next session, we will be discussing about chopper control of separately excited DC motors. Thank you.